The sun
dito.
goes down a little further.
Ang lamig,
A
mahangin.
little further, it'll be a little warmer here.
Yeah.
But if the breeze is here, then it's not so bad. I'll keep an eye on this during the next week and see what the sun is like.
Yeah.
I'm not worried about it in the winter time because the sun is further this way, I think.
Ikaw talaga si Michi. Punta ka na rito. Oh. Alagad ni Inspiring Pia. Kamusta? Tara na, let's go. Pasyal na kayo sa Romblon, guys. Summer na. Summer is here. See? Maganda
Did you see Ma'am Ligas down there? Did you talk to her at all?
No, I did not see her there.
She wasn't there when you were, or you just go all the way down?
Huh?
You didn't go all the way down?
No. No, I was just here. Tingnan nyo itong ano nila, oh. Patatayuan nila yan ng ano, 2-story building dyan. We will have more shade when this regrowth. Because he chopped it off. Because it was hanging. So oh my God, look at the dogos. Current Plant Food Travel, Miguel Love, shout out Sisi. Hello, alagad na Inspiring Pia. Ayan. Oh, like that one, baby. Rafaels. Oh, tingnan nyo dyan, guys. Oh, grabe ang sarap ng hangin dyan. Sa kubo-kubo ng kuya ko. Diyan nagpapahinga ang kuya ko kapag siya ay napagod na sa pagtatanim. Yan, yung kubo-kubo niya. Super mahangin dyan. Mahangin talaga dyan. Diba? Oh, naglagay pa siya ng mga ano-ano. Diba? Oh, yan ang kubo-kubo ng kuya ko. Sahig lang. Tapos may upuan kawayan. Oh, diba? Nice tumambay dyan. Oo, nice tumambay. Diba? Yan. Oo, super sarap ng hangin. Kahit nga dito sa kinakatayuan namin, oh.
Oh yeah, I got good actually, good reception here.
Yeah, I got three bars here.
Do I have 3 or is that 2?
2.
Okay.
No, that's considered 3. See? Ooh, nice to have a nap here.
Mm-hmm.
Nice to have a nap. But if I have a nap here, babe, I'm going to hire somebody to clean up this mess here. What are the dogs doing in there? Lalo pagkatapos kumain. Buo nga, Sisi. Sisi Karen. Oo. Kuri ka dyan. Pagkatapos kumain, ang sarap. Magtambay dito. Mahangin. Malamig. Tingnan mo mga aso ko. Tingnan mo mga aso ko. Ayan. Oh. Yan. Pag ganitong summer, pag ganitong mainit na ang panahon, gusto nilang tumambay sa mga malamig na lugar. Kaya kawawa ang mga tanim ko dun sa bahay. Niraransak nila. Dun sila diba? Saki do? Saki? What is Snoopy doing?
I don't know. checking out why